There is no doubt whatsoever, absolutely no doubt, that we came from space, that life originated from space, and that the whole of evolution that led to you and me essentially came from the deepest recesses of the universe. So I think that is a hard fact, and we've got to come to grips with that hard fact. We are essentially just assemblies of what I would like to call cosmic genes. And these are like bits of a child's jigsaw puzzle that fell on the earth from 4 billion years ago all the way through to the present. They keep falling, and they come together on the earth, just like a jigsaw puzzle gets put together into different pictures and so on. And so that's the way I think we have the enormous range and multiplicity of life that we see here on our planet around us. The same genes, the same units, informational units, I should call them, must of course have fallen on other planets and developed into a variety of life forms. What is holding us back from accepting these stark but very, very simple facts is sheer force of habit. We've been used to thinking that we are all powerful, that we originated on the earth, we started on the earth, everything is earth-centered. 500 years ago, we reluctantly gave up our position of physical centrality, being at the physical center of the cosmos. The idea that life is somehow centered on the earth and arose independently on the earth really dies very hard. The conventional view now, of course, is that the earth is firmly in the center of things. We still keep struggling to find evidence for how life may have originated on the planet, but all the odds are against that, and every single experiment that has been done has shown that this is not going to happen. As humans, I think we don't like to change our position, our point of view even on anything. Change is inevitable because sooner or later we've got to come to grips with facts. The facts are just coming in, streaming in at a rate that we cannot afford to ignore them. The new cosmic worldview, where we are not the center of things, is going to come. There's no question about it. I think sooner or later facts reign supreme. They are the dominant force in our whole civilization. If we ignore the facts, if we ignore the truth, then I think as a human species, as a civilization, we are absolutely doomed. When this position is accepted, when the new worldview is accepted, I think the worst casualty of all will be our self-image, the image of ourselves as humans being the supreme life form in the cosmos. This view will be of course shattered, and we would need major efforts in psychological and educational adjustment. We need therapy as a human species to cope with the change of our status as being the center of everything to being at the center of nothing. The entire structure of human society will undergo a transformation that is more fundamental, far more fundamental, and more profound than any that has taken place in our long history. Next transition will be to absolutely unconditional, unreserved recognition that we here on the earth are part of a much, much bigger, vast, cosmic, cosmological living system. Life could not exist here on the earth if life did not exist in the cosmos. When we actually admit this, a better worldview will beckon, and that this will take us forward into a grand cosmic future, grander than we might ever have imagined. A new cosmic consciousness will surely dawn.